Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. Sunshine dancing on the ocean waves, good vibes flowing through the day. A gentle breeze upon my face, feels like I found a better place. People smiling as they pass me by, blue skies stretching far and wide. No worries weighing on my mind, just peace and love that I can find. The rhythm moving through my soul, like a river losing control. Can you feel it? Feel it in the air. Love and music everywhere. Feel it in your heart tonight. Everything is feeling right. Oh, can you feel it? Deep inside your soul, let the positive vibes take control. From the mountains to the sea, feel it flowing naturally. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Children laughing in the afternoon, dancing underneath the moon. The bass line rolling soft and low, making every spirit glow. Friends and family gathered near, sharing joy and spreading cheer. One love shining bright and true, bringing people closer to. When the music starts to play, all the troubles fade away. Can you feel it? Feel it in the air. Love and music everywhere. Feel it in your heart tonight. Oh yeah. Everything is feeling right. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you feel it? Deep inside your soul, let the positive vibes take control. From the mountains to the sea, feel it flowing naturally. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Raise your hands up to the sky, let your spirit fly so high. Every heartbeat, every sound brings the whole world together now. Can you feel it? Hear the people sing. Feel the people sing. Feel the happiness it brings. With reggae music leading on, we keep moving strong. Can you feel it? Night and day, let the rhythm lead the way. With one love all around the land, together we stand. Oh, naturally. on another page. Some choose darkness, some choose light. Some give up, some stand and fight. The world may seem divided now, but love still shows us how to lift each other when we fall, and answer when humanity calls. No matter what the future brings, truth will spread its wings. Hey! Good over evil, light over night, love over hatred, right over wrong. Together we are strong. A mother's prayer, a helping hand, can change the course across the land. A simple act of kindness shown can help a stranger not feel alone. The strongest force is not in fear, it's found when people persevere, standing firm for what is true and doing what we're called to do. When hope is hard to find, keep faith within your mind. Good over evil, light over night, love over hatred, right over wrong. Together we are strong. Good over evil, let the people see the power of unity with every heart and every soul. Love can take control. Yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa. The sun still rises after rain, healing comes after pain. Every step along the way can bring a brighter day. No wall too high, no road too long. When we stand together strong, the power of love will always shine beyond all space and time. Hear the people sing, peace is what tomorrow brings. Let the roots reggae carry the sound of love all around. Good over evil, let the message flow. Plant the seeds and watch them grow, with one love shining from above. The world can rise through love. Oh, yo, yo. Oh yeah. I've seen the highs and I've seen the lows. Like a river, life just comes and goes. But through the storms and changing tides, I found the strength that lives inside. Many people chase the fame, running fast in a losing game. But I found peace in simple things, the joy that gratitude can bring. No matter where the road may bend, I know where my journey ends. I'm grounded, standing on solid ground, with roots so deep they can't pull me down. Through every trial, through every test, I keep my faith and do my best. Oh, I'm grounded, like a mighty tree. The wind may blow, but it won't move me. With love and truth inside my soul, I'm grounded, I'm in control. Mama taught me from the start to keep humility in my heart, and never let success erase the values that time can't replace. Friends may come and friends may go, but true love always seems to show. The people who stand by your side when there's nowhere left to hide. I don't need riches to survive. Love is what keeps me alive. I'm grounded, standing on solid ground, with roots so deep they can't pull me down. Through every trial, through every test, I keep my faith and do my best. Oh, I'm grounded, like a mighty tree. The wind may blow, but it won't move me. With love and truth inside my soul, I'm grounded, I'm in control. Oh, yeah. Like the mountains touching the sky, I stand strong and hold my head high. No matter what tomorrow brings, I won't be shaken by anything. I'm grounded, hear my song today. Nothing can take my peace away. With roots reggae playing all around, my feet stay on the ground. Oh, I'm grounded, steady and free, living life the way it should be, with one love guiding me along. I'm grounded, standing strong. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Everywhere I go, people watching me, trying to find the man I choose to be. Life keeps teaching lessons every day, and every choice can light the way. The young ones looking up to see what kind of example I can be. So I walk with truth inside my heart, knowing every day is a fresh start. The things we do, the words we say, can help somebody find their way. Yeah. Be a reference, be a guiding light, stand for what is good and right. Let your actions speak louder than words. Let your voice be heard. Be a reference, lead with love, give thanks for every blessing from above. Plant a seed for the future to grow, and let the whole world know. Mama told me long ago, respect and kindness always show. You never know who's watching you or learning from the things you do. A helping hand can change a life, bring some peace through pain and strife. A simple smile, a gentle word can spread further than you've heard. Every step along the road can help another bear the load. Be a reference, be a guiding light, stand for what is good and right. Let your actions speak louder than words. Let your voice be heard. Be a reference, lead with love, give thanks for every blessing from above. Plant a seed for the future to grow, and let the whole world know. Oh yeah, the world needs more compassion now. More people keeping every vow, more hearts willing to understand and walk together hand in hand. Be a reference, shine your light, help somebody through the night with roots reggae sounding strong and clear. Spread hope everywhere. Oh, be a reference, stand up tall, share your love with one and all. With one love guiding us along, we'll keep moving strong. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, oh. Oh la la, the silence in the room tonight doesn't feel the way it used to feel. You won't look me in the eyes, and I can tell the hurt is real. I've been searching through my mind, trying to understand the change, wondering where we lost our way, and why things feel so strange. Tell me where we went wrong. gone. Was it something I said? Something I didn't do? Something that broke your heart and pulled me away from you? Was it something I said that made your teardrops fall? If I could turn back time tonight, I'd change it all. Together felt like it would always be there. Now the distance grows between us, oh, like a river running wide, and I'm standing on the shoreline with these feelings deep inside. If there's still a chance for us, let's rebuild the trust. Was it something I said? Something I didn't do? Something that broke your heart and pulled me away from you? Was it something I said that made your teardrops fall? If I could turn back time tonight, I'd change it all. Oh yeah, no pride standing in my way. I'll do whatever it takes today to bring back the love we knew, 'cause my heart still belongs to you. Oh, was it something I said? Tell me honestly, 'cause losing you forever would mean everything to me. Was it something I said, or something left undone? Let's find our way back to love and start again as one, with the reggae rhythm soft and slow. I just need to know, was it something I said tonight before you let me go? Hey. Oh, na na na. Oh, yeah, na 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 na. Oh, yeah. Sa na 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 na. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, na 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 na. Sunshine dancing on the ocean waves, good vibes flowing through the day, a gentle breeze upon my face. Feels like I found a better place. People smiling as they pass me by, it flowing naturally. Children laughing in the afternoon, dancing underneath the moon. The bass line rolling soft and low, making every spirit glow. Friends and family gathered near, sharing joy and spreading cheer. One love shining bright and true, bringing people closer to. When the music starts to play, all the troubles fade away. Can you feel it? Feel it in the air. Love and music everywhere. Feel it in your heart tonight. Everything is feeling right. Can you feel it? Deep inside your soul, let the positive vibes take control. From the mountains to the sea, feel it flowing naturally. Oh yeah. Raise your hands up to the sky, let your spirit fly so high. Every heartbeat, every sound brings the whole world together now. Oh, can you feel it? Hear the people sing, feel the happiness it brings. With reggae music leading on, we keep moving strong. Oh, can you feel it? Night and day, night and day. Let the rhythm lead the way. With one love all around the land. Together we stand. Oh, oh, Every day I see the battle age written on another page. Some choose darkness, some choose light. Some give up, some stand and fight. The world may seem divided now, but love still shows us how to lift each other when we fall, and answer when humanity calls. No matter what the future brings, truth will spread its wings. Good over evil, light over night, love over hatred, right over wrong. Together we are strong. Good over evil, let the people see the power of unity. With every heart and every soul, love can take control. A mother's prayer, a helping hand, can change the course across the land. A simple act of kindness shown can help a stranger not feel alone. The strongest force is not in fear, it's found when people persevere, standing firm for what is true, and doing what we're called to do. When hope is hard to find, keep faith within your mind. Good over evil, take control. Oh yeah, the sun still rises after rain. Healing comes after pain. Every step along the way can bring a brighter day. No wall too high, no road too long. When we stand together strong, the power of love will always shine beyond all space and time. Good over evil, hear the people sing. Peace is what tomorrow brings. Let the roots reggae carry the sound of love all around. Good over evil, let the message flow. Plant the seeds and watch them grow. With one love shining from above, the world can rise through love. Oh yeah, na 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 na. I've seen the highs and I've seen the lows. Like a river, life just comes and goes. But through these storms and changing tides, I found the strength that lives inside. Many people chase the fame, running fast in a losing game. But I found peace in simple things, the joy that gratitude can bring. No matter where the road may bend, I know where my journey ends. I'm grounded, standing on solid ground, with roots so deep they can't pull me down. Through every trial, through every test, I keep my faith and do my best. I'm grounded like a mighty tree. The wind may blow, but it won't move me. With love and truth inside my soul, I'm grounded. I'm in control. Mama taught me from the start to keep humility in my heart and never let success erase the values that time can't replace. Friends may come and friends may go, but true love always seems to show. The people who stand by your side when there's nowhere left to hide. I don't need riches to survive. roots reggae playing all around. My feet stay on the ground, steady and free, living life the way it should be, with one love guiding me along. I'm grounded, standing strong. Everywhere I go, people watching me, trying to find the man I choose to be. Life keeps teaching lessons every day, and every choice can light the way. The young ones looking up to see what kind of example I can be. So I walk with truth inside my heart, knowing every day is a fresh start. The things we do, the words we say, can help somebody find their way. Be a reference, be a guiding light, stand for what is good and right. Let your actions speak louder than words, let your voice be heard. Be a reference, lead with love, give thanks for every blessing from above. Plant a seed for the future to grow, and let the